Okay, hello vlog. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make this kind of paper airplane. It's gonna fly. It flies pretty good, and I'm gonna teach you how to make it. And you might break the world record if you throw it hard enough. Okay. Now I'm gonna teach you how to make it. Okay, now start with folding it in half, the paper in half, just like this. Open it up. Now fold the edges into the line that you just made. Just like that. And then you're going to want to fold this like that. Then just like that, and you're gonna fold it once again. Like this. And then you're gonna wanna fold it a half like this, the paper that you just made like this, fold it in half. Now you're just gonna make the wings. But since this is so thick right there, you're actually gonna wanna start from somewhere else. Like right here, right there would be good. And then you do like fold the wings. And there you go. You just have made this paper airplane. I'm going to show you when to fly. Okay, that's the end of my channel. Bye.